Hello, today in this video we will learn how to create a database table using SQL. First, go to phpMyAdmin section. After phpMyAdmin, click the SQL and here write create table. Here my table name is demo, first bracket open and close and semicolon, write id integer, primary key, comma, name is the field varchar 50, comma, mail id varchar 100, unique, the unique key, and click go. Let's see, my table is created. Click database, table name is demo, and click the demo table, the id, name and mail id. Click the structure section, id is the primary key and mail id is unique key. This way you can create database using SQL command. Thank you.